I'm going to be trying SHEIN makeup products, my first time trying them, and I'll be giving my real verdict about the products. They look good, but let's see what they look like on the face. So, I already cleansed my face, and I'm going to be applying. First on the list is the SHEGLAM Good Grip Hydrating Primer. Yeah, so I'll layer that on my face. Ooh, glass on a bottle. Look at that. This look good. Okay, so let's see. Oh, I love the texture. I love the texture. It's soft and glides on the face so smoothly. Texture feels so good. The SHEGLAM Primer. I love it. It feels so soft and it feels hydrating, yes, on the skin. So, this soft, wet, feeling on the face, which I think I love, yeah. So this is what this looks like. So I will just wait for it to sit on my face and get dry. Put my lip balm on. So many products from SHEIN and I cannot wait to try them out. So the next would be the 48 Hours Cushion Foundation. Let's see what it feels like. So I'll be trying this on. I have the cashew and mocha. It has a wide range of colors. You will definitely find a color that will suit your face. 48-hour long lasting waterproof. Yeah, it says it's waterproof. We'll be starting with the lighter shade. Be the cashew. Let's unbox. I love the package. Go ahead and open it. Oh, it comes with this little puff. It has this. That's a seal on it that you're meant to tear. I love how it looks. Okay, so my face is dry now. Oh. And it's very lightweight. And this color is mocha. The liquid contour is camel suede. I'll use the lighter shade. I liked. Up next, I'll use this. The SHEGLAM Real Flow Laminating Brow Pen. Look at this. And it has the gel. I'll use the gel. I'm doing a very light makeup. I think I love this look. Up next, eyeliner. Color stick. SHEGLAM color stick. Next, the lipstick lip liner. Let's try it. I have these three colors. Wow. It's a peel off lip liner, so let's see. unbox this SHEGLAM Crystal Jelly Glaze. See what this looks like. So this is an eyeshadow.
So this is my finished look. This is how I love my makeup. Natural, looking flawless, just light. And that's what this is giving. And this is flawless. Very light, little to no makeup. That's my style. And this has well delivered my style. So if you love your makeup looking clean, flawless, and lightweight, this